inside prison. When you go the first person for a crime, person go prison. You remember saying that you report them and you can't get access to phone. You go organize when they buy you. It's a very big problem. It is a big problem. But anyways, we are going to continue with the case. They say 11th of December. We'll come back here 11th of December. Before then, we would have done the DNA test to be sure that, not be to be sure, to confirm 100% that that is his sister. Thank you very much.
Thank you. VDM.
Concerning a case between late Miss Tekla and a suspect named Edri. So what happened is that I think this family, that's the deceased Tekla. So the family, they said I think they're family of 6. So I think she have an elder sister with her junior sister, then with her brother, then father and mother. So they were living at Ajingule. So Tekla was doing a gadget business and phone, selling power bank accessories and all that. So gradually the business was making progress and God blessed her. So she took her family from Ajingule to that's an Ekpe side at Island. So they were not living there. Then while the brother Justin was in school at Imo State. So he was schooling there. So the Tekla was having our garden, everything was just going fine for him. So his brother Justin now came back from school, so he's done with school. So when he came back, she was now asking his sister Tekla about one family called them Edwin. This is his friend. So his sister answered that she hasn't heard from them since they packed out from that place. So she had not been in contact with them. So Justin went there and asked of his friend Edwin. So when he got there, he saw his friend was in a bad condition, no money and everything. So he now told his friend that his sister is doing okay, has a gadget shop. So he can come and be staying there. So 2 of the that he himself is even sitting down in his sister's shop, helping her to sell so that we'll be getting small money. At least it's better than staying at home. So Eddie was even happy that okay. So he now said he will talk to his sister. So if the sister allows him, so she will come and call him to come and be staying there. So Edwina said, okay, but Justin told the sister, and the sister did not agree with the idea. She said she doesn't want anybody to come and be living. She doesn't want this kind of stuff. So Justin was begging and begging. The sister did not agree. So Justin had to go and tell their father that. He went to go and tell their father that their friend, because the father also know Edwin very well, know the family. They were like family friend that we need help, and he want him to come and be staying with him at his sister's shop. So at least the 2 of them will still be doing something. So the father now said him, okay, now call the sister. So the family was now begging her that since he's Justin's friend now and somebody they know, so she will allow him to come. So the sister had no other choice than to say, okay, now allow them a day. So they were selling phone, he and Justin's within his sister's shop and all that. But after some time, Justin traveled to Ogun State because he got a job at beverage company. So when he got that job, he said they were paying him 400,000 every month because he was very hardworking and he's very close to his boss. So he told them Edwin that he's going to help him and also get job. So because he's very close to his boss. So if there's vacancy, so that he will also help his guy. And we said okay. So I think when there was vacancy, Justin called Edwin to come to Ogun State to come and meet him for the interview. So after everything, Justin had said I can't leave work. So Eddie should go home. We gave him the key to his house that he should go and relax. Then when he's back from work, he'll come and meet him. But when Justin closed from work and got back home, he did not see Eddie. So it was not like, where is Eddie? We waited and waited, not see him. So after some time, I called him. Eddie told him that he has gone back to Lagos. Justin now said that why now is he not doing the work? He said no, you need to let his sister know that since he has gotten a job, so that she will look for somebody that she should put at the shop that will be helping her. So we don't want to just go like that. Justin now said that you are a very good friend. Though. That's thoughtful of you. So since then, he said he has not really heard from them until one fateful day, I think around March or so. The junior sister now called Justin that they have not heard from their sister. They have not seen her for some days. So it's like she's missing. They have been trying different ways to reach her, but she's chatting, but she's not picking call. So the brother tried calling her the same thing, even reach out to the fiancé. The fiancé, that is this Tekla that died. She had a fiancé. So the fiance said he has not heard from the girl too. So he now called the dealer. What happened? As you and my sister, at least you people are living together. So Justin now, or Eddie, sorry, I need to say Eddie now said that he has not even seen the sister for some days. But she came back when that he saw her on Wednesday last. When she dropped her sister at the hospital, that was when she came back last. So and Justin now told Eddie that he should report the issue to the police station. So he should open a case there since he's not around. Edwina said, okay, we'll go and report. But he did not go. So when Justin found out that he did not go to the station, he now asked him that, why did you not go? And the you should have reported the case. He now said the lawyer advised him not to report the case because he's not related to the family, so he cannot go to the station. So Justin was like, even anybody can report case of missing person or something like that, even if it's not your family. So Edwina said, no, since they just, so Justin now said, okay, he's going to come to Lagos, so and he got the license. So Justin came, he went to the station last Sunday. So police station, they are not fully active, so they just made entries. So they told them to come back the next day so that they can take more of what happened in our case. So when he said he was coming, that's Justin. So he now saw the sister's neighbor at the shop where they were selling gadgets. So that one was beating him. I think his name is Obona. I don't know. I've forgotten the name. So that one I was like, Justin, because he also know Justin, like, you are back. How is your elder sister? How is her head? So that one I was like, my sister is getting better, but that's not the problem. It's my other sister we are looking for tackling. They have not seen that for some days. That I even went to the station to report. Then the man now said, he saw Tekla on Tuesday now, and they even spoke that she had an issue with his friend Edri that was living with them. That Edri and her was having issue. That she even brought soldier for Edri. So Justin was surprised that Edri did not tell him anything that he was having issue with his sister. That so the man now explained that the sister came to meet them that Edri was stealing from her, and she doesn't want to take him to police stations because it's like a family to them, so that they will not lock him. So he now said they will call soldier to threaten him so that they will be able to get her money. So they agreed that say, but the day they brought soldier to the shop, so as they were trying to interrogate Edri, that's the soldiers. Then the sister that was having cancer was there that day. She was screaming and shouting. So they had to rush her to the hospital. So they could not even finish the issue they had with Edri. So that was that day left. Since then, the other day that he called her, Alpha, have you gone to soldier or whatever? So he said, Tekla now told her that she's going to go to Money Point and take bank statement there so that he'll be able to give it and catch him that this the amount that they have transferred from my account. So the man now told him everything. So that's just the way. So Justin was surprised. So Justin said when Justin bought home, he did not meet Edri at home. He said he waited and waited and waited. He did not say the thing around 2 a.m. in the midnight. That was when he saw Edri. He was like, is that how you used to come and go and like you come home this late? It was like he was not even supposed to stay there. It's because Justin is around. That's why he's just around. So Justin now said, okay. So the next day he went to the station. He now quickly report that see what the sister shop neighbor told him about Adrian's sister, but he did not know that they was having issue. So police now said, okay, they went and picked Adrian and brought him to the station. So they were interrogating him that you had an issue with the girl about concerning money theft, and they brought soldier. Adrian said he did not want to bother Justin because it was just a minor issue. So that's why. So the police now said, what about the soldier? But they brought in. So as he was, I don't know, was saying something. Then I think he said the policeman now slapped Edbridge that is a suspect that something happened like that and did not talk. So from there, this Justin was even pleading with the police not to beat him. That is their brother, is like his blood. So that same Ogbona, the neighbor that they saw, who now said to him, the last time he saw his sister, I now showed Justin the chat that the sister told him that she went to Money Point that day, that he saw the receipt of everything about Justin. That day that she saw the sister entering there, they were even the one that escorted the sister to the gate. Since she entered, that Edri too was around with Edri girlfriend. Edri girlfriend came that they saw Edri with a girl. That but since then they have not seen the sister. So they now went and arrested the girlfriend. So when the girlfriend said she doesn't know anything about it, but she now told Justin that Edri rented house and she used her as guarantor for the house. She now told him the address where Edri went and go and in the house. So then when the Justin now went and found out the address, got there, he saw the landlord of the house. Now told him that the guarantor is aware that was here. That since the owner of the house have not come for some days, the landlord was now saying yes, that I cannot open the door for them, that the person that rent the house has not paid fully for the house. So Justin now look around through the window. He saw that there is already loot, meaning the guy has already started packing things inside the house. So he went back to the station. Koyin was even surprised. So he now went and told the police. So the police, they now came back to the house. They forcefully opened the door. So when they opened the door, they saw a bag, his property. So when they checked the bag, they now saw the glass phone inside the bag. So when they opened the phone, they saw the chat that it was Edri that has been chatting them, acting like as if Tekla was the one. So that was when they now hold him. So they brought him to the family as he started confessing that. And that day, when Tekla brought Soja, after that day, when she came, they had little argument that they were talking. He mistakenly pushed Tekla, and Tekla fell. So he left the house. So when he came back that evening, he didn't know that Tekla was bleeding. So she died. So he did not know what to do. That he now put the body inside bag. Then he called Uber to drop him at Third Milan Bridge. That is where he threw the dead body. So police was like, you throw somebody inside Third Milan Bridge. That okay, is the Uber aware that you keep somebody, or is it two of you that they now said no, that the Uber? So they were not telling that okay, should bring the Uber driver number, maybe he's an accomplice. And I said no, it's not Uber, that is in taxi. Just manual motor that I saw on the road. The police now did the investigation. They now said, and even if you throw dead body inside the water, at least 3 days, that body must have risen. That body would have swollen and rised up. So no official men would have seen it and at least raise alarm that there's a dead body so that people can identify who have the body. So they now torture him more, then now confessed. Finally, went and take them to where he buried Tekla. So when they dig it, they saw Tekla body, he disembarked it. That is just pieces the body like meat, scatter him. So Joseph was crying that he did not even believe that this is his sister because some of the body has even decayed. So he said the sister had a scar on the leg because she had accident before. So he saw the scar on the pieces leg. So that was how he was able to identify that this is sister. So they now brought the case. So the mother now, Tekla mother is working in the clinic and is with this senior sister that is also having cancer. So the mother was now asking them, where is Tekla? Have they seen her? So they don't want to let her know that Tekla is dead. So after like about a week, so he had no other choice than to let his mom know that Tekla, they have found Tekla, but she's no more. So immediately the mom heard the news. The mom now collapsed. They rushed her to the hospital. So it wasn't up to a week, the mother died. Then when the mother died, he could not tell his father too. And the elder sister, so they had to take the mother to the village and bury. They also moved the elder sister to the village. So the sister too, they later told the sister that Mama and Tekla is dead. The sister could not bear the loss and she also died. So she died too after hearing the news. Good afternoon. So she died when hearing the news. So he said after some weeks, so he now told his father that this is what happened. So the father now cried, but he have no other choice but to use one. So they arrested him, moved him to the court. Court has already adjourned the date. Said, but ever since then, they did not hear from the court people or the police. So the case happened in 2023. Said then, I think in last year, he said he now discovered that police on their own took the guy to charge him to court without the family consent, that they were not even aware that they have already charged the guy to court and they were not present. So, and the guy now inside prison is using phone, is even sending threat message to him through WhatsApp, he's doing videos and all that. So that was why he now said that he now came back to his laying complaint. So that was why they now bring the matter. They said they were going to bring it in court. So very dark man, they told very dark man. So he now, and that is why very dark man said that he must come here, that justice must prevail. So He doesn't know if the person is I don't know if he's having somebody that is backing it up or influencing, because somebody cannot be inside the prison and be using phone. And also that is what they will do. They will just let the guy and go scot free. So the news is really painful because 3 people died because of what the guy did. So that was why it came.
All right, thank you.